Guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is your girl Obapa Kitchen. In this video, it's all about weekend special, Abenkwan special, PalmNut soup special, authentic Ghana PalmNut soup. As you can see, this is what I am making, or I made today. So guys, if you want to learn how I made this soup, it is nice. It has all the ingredients that you needed. Very simple recipe. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's get started. I know you have Abenkwan. What's it? Alright guys, I have my ingredients. I have my PalmNut soup. Okay, so this is the palm that you will need for your soup. This is Abenmudro. This is half precursor, it has all the herbs that you need in this one. So if you go to the market, you can find this one. Go ahead and buy it. Okay, and also I have my dry catfish on that side. Yes, I'm using that. I have some 3 fresh tomatoes. I have my ginger root. Yeah, this is like the Ghana ginger root. And yeah, this is not what I have. So this you need is ginger root. And also guys, I have some red medium onion. Also I have my tomato paste. Yeah, this is all the ingredients. I have some 2 chili hot pepper on the other side, and I have some mekusam also in this side. And as you can see, I have my salt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of it, but we will see. Alright guys, and then when we come back to my meat, guys, I have this meat. I have trihun, that is cow skin. I have cow foot. I have dry smoked turkey. I have goat meat on this soup. So basically what I did is that I just soaked the meat for about 30 minutes, the cow skin, the goat meat for 30 minutes, and then I boiled it for 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, I let it sit overnight. Don't put it in the fridge, let it sit overnight. And then guys, you will be amazed. So that is how it is. As you can see, I already turned my stove on to a medium heat. This is what we are going to use it for. So now I have all my meat. I am going to add a journey. That is the catfish, the smoked catfish. If you don't have smoked catfish, you can use the normal dry fish. Or yeah. So now I have half of the onion. I just cut it into pieces, and I'm going to use it to season the meat. Remember, I've already seasoned the meat with salt. Okay, so I'm not going to add salt right now. So with this tomato paste, I am adding about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Yeah, as you can see, it's hard to tell because I just squeeze it and it's dropping out, but make sure you use 2 teaspoons. And I have the other half of the onion I'm gonna add, and I have my tomatoes, 2 fresh tomatoes. Make sure you boil it with the meat. Okay, and then if you have your pepper, put it on the side, cook all of it together. Ginger root is gonna be there for flavor. Also don't forget about your mekusam just to begin with. And guys, cover it and let it steam for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, guys, you see your onion, your tomatoes, your meko or your habanero, they are all cooked. Okay, as you can see, it's all cooked. So I'm going to take all of them out and I'm going to blend it in the blender until it is ready to be used. So now, as you can see, that's what I'm doing in this video. And Queen is serious, yeah, and now as you can see, I have all kinds of meat in this soup. I'm so happy about it. So guys, it is time to add your Abenkwan. You see guys, this is so simple. I have this Abenmudro. It is so nice. The smell of this is amazing. So I'm going to use the same Abenmudro cup. Okay, I'm going to measure the water, the amount of water I'm going to use for this soup. I'm using about 3 can water of that Abenmudro. That's what I'm going to use to measure. It depends on how or amount of soup that you're going to make. If you're making a lot of soup, you can feel free to add more water. If you're making less, you know how it is, guys. We all know how to make soup. Alright, so now as you can see, I'm just adding my water, and after it, I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook or let it boil. As soon as it starts boiling, yeah, so make sure you take the lid out and then make sure you add your tomato. Now as you can see, I blended my onion, habanero pepper, and then the tomatoes, and now it's time to go to the soup because you want it to cook gradually with the soup so you get the tasty soup that you need. Okay, yeah, now it's serious too. It's a live video more here. It's serious. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm just gonna lower my heat again to a half or low medium heat. I'm gonna let it cook gently for about 1 good hour. As you can see guys, it's been cooking for 30 minutes so far, and look at this oil guys. The oil is just coming out, like, you know, a lot. But this oil guys, don't throw it away. Okay, you can use it to make Kotodwe stew, you can use it to make bean stew. Okay, that is very, very, very important. Look at the amount of oil that's coming out. That is what I love about Abenkwan. Whenever I make Abenkwan, I get this oil and I don't have to buy oil for a little while, you know what I mean? So yeah, and then my meat is running, it's serious. Cucumber, if you are, that is what you need guys. Yeah, so guys, after an hour my soup is ready, but I have a lot of oil on top of my soup, so I'm just gonna scoop all the oil out. I'm not gonna throw it away. Like I said, you need a little pot. Just make sure you scoop all the oil out because you're gonna need this oil later on. Trust me, you will need that oil. Your bean stew, you know, Kotodwe stew, you know, that's what you want to make. This oil will go with it. Okay, red Ghanaian beans, you know, you can use this oil. Yes, so it is very, very important to keep your oil. To say it's serious. Check it out. Alright guys, so like I said, you see the amount of oil that I got. It's a lot, I know, but I'm so happy because it's going to be very useful. And I have my plantain fufu on this side guys. With this soup you can eat with plantain fufu, you can eat with rice ball, you can eat with rice, you can eat with jam, you can eat with plantain, you can eat with benku, abetia, face the wall, you can eat with a lot of stuff. Abenkwan is just for you guys. It's just your soup, your local authentic soup. No, this is what you have. As you can see, I'm dishing it out because it's about to go down. Come on, Jimmy, I can't wait to eat. What kind of meat I have? I have cow skin, I have goat meat, I have cow foot, I have smoked turkey, I have my adjune. Guys, this is what you need. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to add your okra. Okay, my okra is on the other side. I'm gonna add it later. So thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my Ghana authentic Abenkwan or PalmNut soup. So show for those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and you've been so helpful to me. I love you guys. Stay tuned, try this recipe. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in the box below, so feel free and click the box and check it out. I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Enjoy authentic Ghana PalmNut soup. Hey, yeah man. All right, bye guys.